I've seen it happen more than once. 6 different cars, all owned by ordinary people who didn't buy expensive parts, who didn't babysit their engines, and who definitely didn't follow the myths manufacturers want you to believe. They followed a different set of rules. 19 habits used by the most obsessive, most disciplined Japanese mechanics. Habits that protect engines from silent killers most drivers never see coming. One of these habits prevents an $8,000 transmission failure. Another can add 200,000 miles to an engine's lifespan. And the most important one? Costs nothing, takes seconds, and quietly pushes a car towards 7-digit mileage. Let's start with the one thing that destroys engines faster than bad oil, bad gas, or bad driving. Trick 19. The 30-second lifespan reset. 70% of engine wear happens in the first minute after startup. Cold metal, empty oil passages, shrinking tolerances. You start your engine, rev it, and the pistons are scraping against cylinder walls that haven't expanded yet. People think a 5-minute warm-up is the fix. It isn't. That wastes fuel and washes raw fuel into the oil. Japanese mechanics do something smarter. 20 to 30 seconds of idle. Not more, not less. Then, gentle driving for the first 3 to 5 minutes, staying under 2,500 RPM, no hard accelerations, no freeway launches. Do this daily, and you're giving your engine 100,000 extra miles for free. Trick 18. Transmission fluid isn't lifetime. Your transmission isn't either. Lifetime fluid is a marketing phrase, not a scientific one. I've watched owners lose transmissions at 60,000 miles because they believed it. Automatic? Service at 30 to 40K. CVT? Every 30K, no exceptions. Drain and fill, never a flush. A flush can knock debris loose and clog the hydraulic passages. A $250 service saves you a $4,000 rebuild. Trick 17. The carbon purge. Modern engines suffocate themselves from the inside. GDI engines never wash the intake valves with fuel, so carbon builds fast. Every 25 to 30,000 miles, throttle body cleaning, intake manifold cleaning, and walnut blasting if you drive a direct injection engine. Carbon kills fuel economy, causes misfires, and eventually starves the engine of air. You don't see it happening until the repair bill hits 4 digits. Trick 16. Throttle body reset ritual. If your idle surges or the engine hesitates when you take off, a thin ring of carbon around the throttle plate is usually the reason. The fix? 10 minutes. Remove the intake tube, spray throttle body safe cleaner, wipe the carbon ring, let it dry, then let the car idle for 5 to 10 minutes so the ECU relearns airflow properly. A clean throttle body makes engines feel younger instantly. Trick 15. Oil intervals based on reality, not marketing. 7,500 miles is not the real interval for most drivers. Short trips, traffic, hot or dusty climate, cold starts, you're driving under severe conditions. Highway drivers change at 6,600 to 6,500. City and short trip drivers, 4,500. Oil that's too thin from fuel dilution or moisture quietly destroys bearings and timing components. Engines don't die suddenly, they die quietly. Trick 14. The highway detox. Once or twice a week, take your car on a 20 to 30-minute highway cruise at 55 to 65 miles per hour. This burns moisture out of the oil, heats up the exhaust to purge rust-causing condensation, and keeps the transmission and turbochargers healthy. Short trips alone slowly suffocate the engine. Trick 13. Critical parts must be OEM, no exceptions. Water pumps, timing belts, sensors, fuel pumps, and hydraulic brake components must be OEM. Cheap versions fail early, run hotter, vibrate more, and misread data. I've seen a single aftermarket belt destroy an entire engine because it snapped 20,000 miles early. Spend the extra $50 now, save thousands later. Trick 12. Mass sensor cleansing. Your mass airflow sensor controls how much fuel your engine uses. When it's dirty, even by a few percent, everything runs wrong. 10 quick sprays every 15 to 30,000 miles restores power, smoothness, and fuel economy. Never touch the sensor. Never use carb cleaner, only math cleaner. Trick 11. PCV valve, the $20 engine saver. A stuck PCV valve creates oil leaks, sludge, high idle, and massive carbon buildup. Replace it every 30 to 60,000 miles. If your car uses a valve cover integrated PCV system, replace the whole cover when the diaphragm cracks. Trick 8. Brake fluid is not forever. Brake fluid absorbs water, even in sealed systems. Every 2 years, flush it. Water lowers the boiling point and corrodes ABS modules that cost $1,200 to $2,000. It's cheap to prevent and insanely expensive to ignore. Trick 9. Filters so cheap yet ignored. Air filter every 15K. Cabin filter yearly. Fuel filter every 20K. A $20 air filter prevents a $2,000 engine repair. Dirty filters choke engines and force fuel pumps to work overtime until they burn out. Trick 8. Cooling system purity. Cool and flush every 30,000 miles. Old coolant becomes acidic and eats radiator fins, water pumps, and heater cores. Wrong coolant formula destroys modern aluminum components. Use OEM or equivalent only. Trick 7. Fuel quality isn't optional. Cheap gas saves pennies but costs injectors. Top-tier fuel keeps injectors clean. Add a Techron-type cleaner every 5,000 miles if you drive a GDI engine. It won't clean the intake valves, but it protects injectors and combustion chambers. Trick 6. Belts and tensioners silence before disaster. Timing belts rarely warn you. Replace on schedule. Tensioners fail just as often. Replace both together. A snapped belt on an interference engine destroys it instantly. Trick 5. Rust is the real million-mile killer. Engines survive, transmissions survive, frames do not. Use fluid film or wool wax coatings every 2 years, especially if you live in a coastal or snowy region. Rust takes cars to the junkyard long before engines give up. Trick 4. Every 6,000 miles, a 5-minute inspection. Belts, hoses, fluids, brakes, tires. Catch problems small. A $10 hose caught early saves a $1,200 blown gasket later. Monthly fluid dipstick check. Oil, coolant, transmission fluid, power steering, brake fluid. Most catastrophic failures start with a low fluid level long before lights appear on the dash. Trick 2. Tire care is free money. Check pressure monthly. Rotate every 5 to 6K. A properly inflated tire lasts 40% longer. Underinflated tires blow out at highway speed and they kill fuel economy. Trick 1. Battery maintenance equals electrical stability. Dirty battery terminals make alternators work harder, kill starters, trigger false warning lights, and cause random electrical glitches. Clean terminals every 6 months with baking soda and water, then protect them with dielectric grease. Final bonus: the rule most people break without knowing. Use the exact oil spec from your manual. Not close, not similar. API rating and viscosity must match. Mixing specs increases sludge and destroys catalytic converters. Get this wrong and your engine is aging twice as fast without you knowing. If you've made it this far, you're already doing more for your car than 95% of drivers. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next video, 17 habits that quietly destroy your car long before 100,000 miles.